What's up, guys? Vin Ryder. I'm here on the Disney Skyliner, going back to Hollywood Studios, but I want to really do a quick review of the new Epcot Forever fireworks show. I just watched it, and I just want to say this show was a fantastic show. Was it better than Illuminations? That's what everyone wants to know. The short answer is yes. It is. Why? There's more fireworks, okay? The music is, it's a lot of fluff. There's a lot of fluff in there. Now, they showed off a lot of different attractions in the fireworks show. They show off Soarin', they show off Figment, Journey into Imagination, they show off Spaceship Earth. They cue the music to these rides to go with the fireworks, which is really cool. If you're a fan of Epcot and have been for a long time, then you'll really enjoy the show. Die-hard Illuminations fans probably won't like it. It's not anything that's gonna blow your mind away. Okay, it's just this quick fireworks show just to fill the gap between the Illuminations into what the real show will be. Now, there's some cool special effects in there. They have jet skiers, okay? Jet skiers with these kites, and they light them on fire. I mean, it's crazy stuff. Looks really cool, okay? But it's still, there's no other effects besides that. You get the jet skis, you get the cool kites, okay? But besides that, it's some good music, it's some good fluff, it's some big fireworks. So nothing out of the ordinary, but a little more exciting than Illuminations, I'd have to say. A little more bang bang firework type stuff. My final score, I'm gonna go with a 7.8 out of 10. It's a fantastic show, but it doesn't blow anyone away. We'll see the next show. That next show could blow people away. This lady's telling me we're gonna land soon. We're getting back to Hollywood Studios. Skyliners are up and running. Got it to myself here. So yeah, we'll see you next time. 7.8 out of 10. Epcot Forever.